Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm standing on, we will have a lot of traffic noise here because we are right at the property line on Sauls Road. And this is a project I've been involved for quite a while now. There was a holdup in the early years, trying to make sure something was truly dead before we replanted the bed. And this is a very different planting than what you'll see in the entirety of Juniper Level Botanic Garden. And that's because I designed from the standpoint of what it would look like to somebody traveling 60 miles an hour past our front property line on Sauls Road. Whereas the rest of the garden is, every 2 steps you're standing in front of some other plant. What I mean is you have some incredible plant in front of you, and the plant after that is something completely different and equally incredible. But this is not a place to showcase special plants, but just to have big masses of things that look like something all year round or most of the year round, and to people that are traveling 60 miles an hour. The speed limit's only 45, but the people that go up and down Sauls Road are probably like people anywhere around the world. They're going to go as fast as possible. Down at this end, we have a few plants that predated creating this berm. We brought in almost 3 feet of soil to raise it up. That's a huge, well, it's not huge yet, but it's a pretty good size Yucca trichuliana. Those are its spent flower stalks up on top. And this gem is Yucca rostrata. It's blue-haired lady. Our own introduction, which we think is an improvement over other Yucca rostratas in that its foliage is much bluer. And then I worked with a bunch of things that I could use in big masses, like this big opuntia down there that was original to this site. It doesn't look like much, but it'll be 3 feet tall, and those great big pads and big yellow flowers at this time of year, but it'll only have a few this year. And then a big mass of an agave that spreads quite quickly. It's a selection of agave parryi. One that is named Hardy Boyz. It'll make a solid mass of 1 to 1.5 foot tall rosettes of beautiful blue-gray foliage, year round. The big sweep is one that I added just this week. It's Acorus calamus, not gramineous. It's the other species of Acorus. It gets about 3 feet tall, and it'll be largely absent from this picture in winter, but 10 months of the year it'll be a big bold stripe of beautiful variegated foliage. And down at this end, added just yesterday, are 3 of the hardy Chinese yellow bamboo banana, 1, 2, 3 Musella, and they'll get about 4 feet tall, maybe almost 5 feet tall. They are clumpers, so they're not going to run around. They're just going to make great big clumps. And I have threatened to put a sign out here when they've gotten big. Plant Delights Nursery, home of the largest hostas, because when they get big, they look like, 5 foot tall hostas. This Dazzlerian was part of this planting before we raised the berm. So it spent a month or two behind the scenes, and then after the berm was created, the soil was brought in, we returned to the site. And the Dazzlerians are native to the Southwest U.S. and also California and into Mexico. Beautiful architectural plants, even though they're not very friendly. I'm gently stroking the edge of the leaves that are like a serrated bread knife. Pretty unkind to bare arms. And then there's little tufts of purple muhly grass that were added yesterday. It's fairly quiet most of the year, but it's just absolutely glorious in fall, late fall, thereabouts, when it's clouds of purple inflorescences. And I still have this section to add. I think I might put Gaillardia estivalis, which has yellow flowers from April into November. And no matter how hot and dry it gets, it just keeps on blooming. So if you're driving past Juniper Level Botanic Garden at 60 miles an hour, you'll recognize this garden. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.